forehead looks huge. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be taking out my braids, and I'm actually really sad to see them go because I hate doing my hair. I hate having to keep up with my hair. I hate washing my hair. It takes hours. I hate detangling my hair. I hate all of it. But I know I have to do it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I also got a new microphone because I hated the way the audio sounded in the last video. You could hear all the cars going by on the street. It was just awful, honestly. So hopefully the microphone makes the audio sound a lot better. It's currently 3:42. This is my starting time. Let's see how long it's gonna take me. I'm really over this. Okay, so it's 4:20 and I would say I'm about like a third of the way done with my hair. Yeah, I'd say like a third. And I'm ready to be done. I wish I had help. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so I look absolutely crazy. It's 5:17 and I'm hungry at this point, so I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna eat something and then continue. 2/3. I'm doing pretty good though, but I just need to eat something. Got my food, a little burger, little Pringles. as you guys can see, I parted my hair into a few different sections, and the first thing I'm going to do is use the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, and I'm just going to spray my hair with that. And then I'm taking the As I Am Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm smoothing that all throughout my hair. I also detangle on the step 2, and then I add more after I comb my hair out. Next, I go in with the As I Am Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I take a generous amount of that, and I just put that all over my hair. I smooth it and rake it through to make sure all of my curls get some product. And next, I'm going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel and just smooth that all throughout this section of my hair. Hey guys, so it's been 2 days since the last clip and my hair is dry. I don't like first day hair, so I didn't show my first day hair. This is second day, but yeah, I like it a lot more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I was celebrating.